Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to take you to a tour of my farm. So I want to take you out around to see how it looks to keep a farm. So we are here in Island, and as you can see, this is where I kept my chicken. So go inside. Don't come out though. This is where I keep my chicken. So they're not many again. That's where I keep my chickens. And I'm taking you up where other chickens are. So, let's go. Let's go, dear. So, if you come over here, you see where I kept my goats. Some are in the field, but the ones inside. Goats, get up. Get up. They want to see goats in Ireland. In Dublin Island, you can see where I kept my goats. So, that's what it is. Follow me here. I'm not going to show the pig for today. Leave pig alone. So you see all the chickens around the compound. All these ones swimming. You can see, like this chicken is a female chicken, but the other one is a cock. You see that chicken? They have a lot of colors in the body. Very lovely. I will show you the cock. See the cock here. Come, they are running away. So this is my turkey. This is where I keep my turkeys. So you can see some hen are laying eggs there. I can show you the egg. This is the egg. This is the egg. So and this is their food. You can see their food. Oh, and they have water there. And you know, chicken here in Ireland, they don't normally have. See this one? You see the color? It have purple, it have green, it have black, it have lots of color. Is that not nice? See the chicks. See them out. See them out. See all the babies. Come and see guineas. This white one. Oh, look at this nice rooster here. Look at the color of this rooster. If you know what I'm trying to tell you. Just have a look. If I go inside now, they will all run away. Those can fly. Those guineas can fly. See this rooster. You see how it is. See the color. I don't want to annoy them. See the guineas, the white ones are the guineas. This is our native chickens. Our African native chickens. Come in to get that. So that they find that. That's what I'm saying. So, that is it. You know, we have a nice weather today, but I don't want to go to the farm. Come and see here. It's duck. See the way ducks is messing around. They like water so much. Here's the ducks. You see them? That's the ducks. See where the ducks is. Yeah. So I'm going to show you the other side where the geese are. The geese. Some people didn't know what geese is. But me, I love goose eggs. Oh my God, here is a mess. wet because they like water so much. Here is the geese and some duck. The geese and some duck. I see the geese. See the color, it has different color, brown, white, and black. So that's lovely one. See the mouth. These geese, even a Elizabeth, of England, that's the meat they eat every New Year. You guys know about it. They eat geese every year. So you should start eating geese. They're a very nice animal, and I love the egg of the geese. So, thank you guys for watching. If you like what we are doing, please, I want you to subscribe on our YouTube, and don't forget to click like if you like what we are doing, and follow us on Instagram. And remember, tomorrow is Sunday. We are doing our giveaway cards. So by 6 p.m., be there. Don't miss it. Be there. That's how we walk. Yeah, you put that side, I put this side. He can't, it's very heavy. Watch your back. He should fucking wash his back, not me. Huh?